Hello, my name is Renu Jaiswal. So today we are starting a new chapter that is comparing quantities. Here, when we compare the quantities, what is that? We can take either ratios or percentages. So what is ratio? Let's understand this with one example. Suppose a person A has two types of fruits, that is apples and then suppose oranges. He has apple 20 in numbers and oranges 5 in numbers. Okay. Now, if I want to find out the ratio of these two, there can be two types of ratio. What is that? The ratio is, if I can ask, what is the ratio of oranges to the number of apples? Means suppose I am asking ratio of oranges to the apples. Or I can find ratio of apples to the oranges. So as in the first case, suppose this is 1 and this is 2. When it says ratio of oranges to the apple, means orange has to come to numerator and apple into the denominator. Like if I take first one, so ratio of orange to apple. Orange is how many? I have 5. Apple is how many? I have 20. So ratio of oranges upon apple is, you can simplify it by cutting 5 ones are 5 fours. Ratio is 1/4. Here, from the same thing, you can calculate the ratio of apples to the oranges. But in this case, the apple will come to numerator and orange to denominator. There is a two ways. Suppose you want to calculate apple upon oranges. So how many apple I have? 20. How many oranges? 5. So simplify it, I'm getting 4. In denominator, nothing means 1. So oranges to apple ratio is 1/4, but apple to oranges ratio is 4/1. How you can correlate? Here, I can say oranges upon apple is 1/4. We know cross multiplication. So take apple on right hand side. So here oranges is equals to 1/4 of apples. If I want to say that in statement, I will say number of oranges is 1/4 of apples. Correct? 1/4 of apple. So number of oranges is 1/4 of apple. Or if you want to know the apple, take this 4 towards left. So 4 into oranges is equals to apple. It is same to same. Just we are calculating it mathematically. So even I can say 4 times of oranges is apple. Correct? So while solving a sum, keep in mind what ratio they have asked. Either they have asked quantity 1/2 or 2/1. So the 1 is asked first, has to be in numerator, and in the second has to be in denominator. That was about ratio. What is percentages? Percentages is nothing but, if I want to simplify it, suppose question is what is the percentage of apple, correct, out of total fruits, out of total fruits. See, here apple I have 20 and out of total fruits means I have to add all these. So percentage of apple means I have to take the apple quantity in numerator. So I'll simply write the quantity divided by total, correct, into 100. In this case, if I want to calculate the percentage of apple, what is the quantity of apple? I know it is 20. And total fruits, I have 20 apple and 5 oranges. So total is 25. So that is 25. Into percentage, that is this. So 25 ones are, 25 fours are, 20 into 4, which is 80. And whenever you calculate percentage, don't forget to put the symbol. So ratio is the comparing two quantities, and percentage is the fraction of one quantity into 100. Out of 100, how much it is. Correct? Okay. Now, here I want to mention two important quantity. Two important point here is ratio is always calculated on the same type of quantity. Suppose I am taking here distance in kilometer, then distance in meter. So they cannot be compared. They has to be in same unit. So whenever you are finding to calculate the ratio, always take them into the same. Convert that. How to do that? Let's move to the exercise. We will understand the concept clearly. So exercise 7.1 says, find the ratio of the following. First one, the speed of cycle is 15 km per hour to the speed of a scooter 30 km per hour. 2. So it means this is first quantity and second quantity. So I will say ratio of cycle speed upon ratio of cycle speed to what? Speed of scooter. Correct? Speed of scooter. It means what? Cycle speed has to come to numerator. So this is 15 and scooter speed has to come to into denominator. Both is kilometer per hour and kilometer per hour. So we can find out the ratio as the unit is same. And we can cut it. So 15 ones are 15 twos are. That is 1 by 2 means ratio is 1:2. Remember one more thing. The ratio is unit less quantity. And that is why here the unit got cancelled. Take the second case. This is A. Now see the B question. 5 meter to 10 kilometer. As the first quantity is 5 meter, but the second quantity is 10 kilometer. So convert that into meter. I know 1 kilometer is 1000 meter. So 10 kilometer is 10 into 1000, which is 10,000 meter. Now find out the ratio. Therefore, 5 meter upon 10,000 meter. Meter got cancelled. 5 ones are, 5 20s are, and how many zeros are there? 3. So therefore, the ratio is 1:2000. Correct? See the third question. It says 50 paisa to 5 rupees. I have 50 paisa, it is in P, and then divided by 5 rupees. So see, paisa and rupees I cannot cancel. So I need to convert into the same unit. I know 1 rupees is 100 paisa. So therefore 5 rupees is 5 into 100 paisa. So that is 50 paisa upon 500 paisa. Here 1 0 I can cancel. 5 ones are 5 ones are. So that is 1 by 10 as paisa cancel. And that is 1:10 is the ratio. Hope this is clear. Let's move to the second question. Convert the following ratios to percentage. So when we calculate percentage, suppose in the case of A, so I need to calculate 3:4 into percentage. So what we do? We take 3 by 4 into 100. So 3 upon 4 into 100. So that is 20. You can cut it by directly 2 or directly 4. So 4 ones are 4 twos are 8, carry on 2, 4 fives are. So that is 3 into 25, which is 75%. Now same way, second question. Here I have 2 by 3 into 100. So that is 200 divided by 3. As there is no cutting, you can divide 200 by 3 to convert that into mixed fraction. So 3 6 are 18, 2, then 3 6 are 18, again 2. So how to write into mixed fraction? The quotient has to come into the front. The denominator has to in numerator and divisor here. So 66, 2 by 3%. Hope this is making it clear. In case any doubt, please feel free to comment me. Question number 3. What it says? 72% of students are good in mathematics. How many are not good in mathematics? So I have total 25 students, correct? Are good in mathematics, 72% of 25. So therefore I can write number of students, correct? Good in mathematics. So good in mathematics. How many are they? It is 72% of 25. So of means what? Exactly, it is multiplication. So 25 as it is in percentage. So whenever a quantity is percentage, write 100 into denominator. Now here 25 ones are, 25 fours are, 4 ones are, 4 ones are carry on 3, 4 eights are 32. So 18 students are there who are good in mathematics. But they have asked how many are not good in mathematics. Therefore, number of students not good in mathematics is what? Nothing but total students minus those who are good in mathematics. So, good in math. So, how many are there? Total is 25 minus 18, which will give you 7. So, 7 students are those who are not good in mathematics. So, always write final answer in the language or in the sentence they have asked. So, how many are not good in mathematics? So, students who are not good in mathematics is equals to 7. Students who are not good in mathematics. Mathematics is how many? 7. Let's move to the next question. It says, a football team won 10 matches. Okay? Out of total number of matches they played. So they have not given how many total matches they have played. So let assume it is X. If their win percentage is 40, how many matches they did not, how many matches did they play in all? So I need to calculate X. So whichever quantity you need to calculate, assume that as X. So what will be the statement? Let number of matches they have played is X. Now a football team won 10 matches out of the total. Okay, so how many they have win? 10 matches, correct? If their win percentage was 40%, means how many matches they have played, out of that 40% they have won. So they have won 40% of total number of matches, correct? Okay. But they have given also quantity, that is 10, means they have won 10 matches, correct? So percentage is for 1. So number of matches also has to be 1. See, if they have said that win percentage is 40% and they have lost 15 matches, right? So you cannot compare. If the percentage is for win, so the number of matches is also for win, then only you can equate. Okay. So they have said 40% of x, and we know of means multiplication. So x into 40, and for percentage sign, I will put 100, and that is equals to 10. 1 0 1 0 cancel. 2 ones are 2 5s are. So that is x into 2 by 5 is your 10. Now transfer it as 5 is in multiplication. Going that side, 5 is in division. Going that side will become multiplication. And 2 in multiplication, so it will become division. Or simply you can remember 2 by 5 will get reversed. That is 5 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 5s are. So 5 5s are 25. Here they have played total 25 matches. So final statement could be, I'll write here, total in the same language as I said, how many matches they have played. So they have played 25 matches, correct? Or the football team, in place of they, you can write football team has played 25 matches, correct? See the next question. If Chameli had rupees 600 left after spending 25% of her money. Now see here, this is spending, but this is saving. Has left means saving. So you cannot compare these two quantities. How much did she have in the beginning? Suppose her total money is X. So how the statement could be? In the beginning, Chameli has rupees X, correct? Now this is what? It is left, means saving, and this is spending. So I need to calculate saving percent. So how to calculate that? I can say saving percentage is 100 minus spending percentage, because total percentage is how always 100 and spending percentage. So out of 100, if I minus the spending, I will get saving. See, spending percentage plus saving percentage is always 100. Suppose if I say winning percentage plus losing percentage is always 100. So if two opposite quantities are there, their percentage will be always 100, correct? So here 100 minus 75, which is 25%. This is her saving. And I know the saving amount. So money left with her. Money left with her is 25% of total, and which is 600. So again from here, the concept of math, 25 upon 100 is 600. 25 ones are 25 fours are. So x is 600 into 4, which is 2400. So what will be the final statement? Chameli has rupees 2400 in the beginning. Okay? Hope this is clear. So just keep one in mind, like two opposite quantity, percentage sum is 100. And you can compare the same quantities only. If it is spending, you can calculate the spending ka money. If it is saving, you can calculate with saving ka quantity. Clear? Let's see the next question. And that is the last question. If 60% people in a city like cricket, okay, so this is cricket people. 30% like football and remaining like other games, okay. So see, there are three total population is mix of all these. So total percentage is 100, means percentage of people who like cricket plus percentage of people who like football plus percentage of other games has total 100 percentage. Correct? Cricket percentage, they have given 60, football 30, and other game X, so total 100. So X will be how much? 100 minus 90, so X is 10%. Correct? If the total number of people are 50 lakhs, find the exact number who likes each of the game. They also have given total population. Total population is 50 lakhs. So for 50 lakhs, you can directly calculate, you'll get in lakhs or put the number of zeros like 50 lakhs. Correct? And see, they have said find the exact number. Okay. So people whom like cricket is what? 60%. So 60% of 50 lakhs. 3 6 zeros हैं. 3 and 3 6. That is 60 upon 100. So 1010 1010. 6 5s are 30 and remaining 5 0. 1 2 3 4 5. It means it is 30 lakhs. Correct? Similarly, you can calculate for the football. So people who like football is 30%. So again, 50 lakhs into 30 upon 100. 1010 1010. It is 1 5. 1 2 3 4 5. And clear? Okay. And adding these two and subtract from total number of people, that is 50 lakhs, you can get. Or there can be also a method of like same way you can calculate. So it is 10% other game. And that is 50 lakhs into 10 upon 100. So this. And it will give you 5 lakhs. That is 5 lakhs. Correct? So final statement you can write. That was about the first exercise. For the second exercise, wait for the next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.